Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna show you my process from start to finish of an acrylic painting. I normally make my paintings on a canvas, but I wanted to try something new. I found this sturdy feel wooden disc in a thrift shop. I thought I could make some nice art on it, so I bought it and brought it home with me. When I was home, I directly started to scrub it with a sanding device. I didn't record that part because it was really difficult and it made everything dirty. When I was done with that, I started to ghetto the part I want to paint on. I doubted if I should do the whole part or only the light inner circle of the wood. I eventually did the inner circle alone. When that dried, I searched for a landscape painting to paint. I found really nice ones. Maybe I'm gonna do more of these wooden thingies and hang them together on the wall. It took a lot of time for me to choose the landscape, but I went for this one. I'm looking at the picture and I searched for the right colors that I think are the best for the painting. I took a lot of time for this because I want to get it right so I don't have to do it over. I practiced this a lot so I know a little how I should choose my colors. The colors I used are also linked in the description, with the reference image. When I search for the right colors, I'm ready to paint. I have my best brushes and I'm ready to go. I start to make a little sketch of the landscape so I know the compositions a bit. I start with the background first. Here it is the sky. From the sky, I go further with the bushes. I start with the right side because these ones are further back, because a tree in the front covers a part of it with a branch of the tree. I make everything in layers. Every layer is more detailed. Mostly the last layer is just a few dots. The right side is done and it's looking pretty good. I can add some details later if it's necessary. Now I'm gonna do the left part. First I'm gonna start with the back of the trees. This side is darker, so the details are less to not visible. Then I started with the big tree. This one was a little complicated, but I made it work. This tree covers a lot of the background, so it has to be an eye catcher. It took me about 3 hours to finish the tree alone. The day is done and I'm pretty happy with the results. I can put extra details later if it's necessary. Tomorrow I'm gonna work on the river. It's the next day. I went to the river with the stones. I struggle every time with painting water because it is a difficult technique and I struggle with it every time. The stones are also a little complicated because they are really small and have a lot of different colors on it. In the end, when every part is done, I look at the painting and look for some parts to look if there are more details needed. Mostly I just add some small highlights with lighter or darker colors. I have to be careful not to overdo the painting, but I think I did a really good job. Now the painting is done. It took about 2 days. I think with the hours I painted every day, it was around 15 hours. When I am done, I clean everything and make my workspace clean for the next day. I take really good care of my brushes and take a lot of time to clean them. This was the video of today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe so you don't miss a video like this. I hope I see you guys in the next video.